Looking for the best-selling microSD memory cards of 2025? Whether you need high-speed performance, large storage capacity, or reliable durability, these top picks deliver exceptional value for various devices. The Amazon Basics Micro SDXC provides large storage capacity, making it ideal for expanding memory on smartphones, tablets, and laptops. With Class 10 speed ratings, it ensures smooth performance for HD video recording and app usage. Its durable construction and reliable performance make it a great choice for everyday users. The SanDisk 256GB microSD card is built for fast read and write speeds, ensuring quick file transfers and smooth video recording. With UHSI technology and A1 app performance, it enhances mobile storage efficiency. Its shockproof and waterproof design makes it perfect for action cameras, gaming consoles, and professional photography. The Amazon Basics Micro SD card is a cost-effective storage solution, offering Class 10 speed ratings for smooth performance. Available in multiple capacities, it's ideal for smartphones, tablets, and cameras. Its rugged design ensures resistance to water, shock, and extreme temperatures, making it a dependable choice for everyday use. The SanDisk 256GB Ultra Micro SDXC features fast read speeds for 4K video recording and gaming applications. With a 1-rated app performance, it enhances mobile gaming and multitasking. Its durable build ensures long-lasting reliability, making it perfect for professional and casual users alike. The Samsung Evo microSD card is built for high-speed data transfers, featuring UHSI technology for seamless performance. With multiple storage options, it's perfect for cameras, drones, and gaming consoles. Its waterproof, temperature-resistant, and shock-proof design ensures maximum durability, making it ideal for extreme conditions. Whether you need budget-friendly storage, high-speed transfers, or premium durability, these micro SD cards offer top-tier features for every user. Choosing the right one can enhance your device's performance, so check the description for pricing and make sure you get the best fit for your needs.